This turbo up pipe from MBRP is a direct replacement for your stock restrictive turbo piping. We installed ours when we had the cab off for other repairs and upgrades. The new turbo piping connects to the lower portion of the stock tubing, so we bolted it to this pipe first. After adding the clamps to the exhaust manifold and the turbo, we set the up pipe in place on the engine and loosely tightened the bolts at the manifolds. Also, we replaced the turbo piping heat shield and bolted it back to the motor since we removed it earlier. Then tighten down the header connections. This downpipe is manufactured out of aluminized steel tubing for extended life and long-term corrosion resistance. The larger diameter and smoother bends reduce back pressure and greatly improve exhaust volume and velocity leading out of your turbocharger system.